So full time here at Bala. It's at Bala 1, Aberystwyth 1. I'm here with manager Neville Powell. Nev, a much improved performance, but slightly disappointed to get the 1 point. How are you feeling?
Yeah, that's probably right. It's a good point always away at Bala, but the lads at the end felt we should have had all three. But over the last two performances, we've got to be happy with it. The players have acquitted themselves. They're getting to know each other. The style of play we're playing, it all seems to be coming together a bit. So yeah, we're pleased with the point, but obviously, it would have been nice to get the 3 points, which they probably deserved.
We got stronger and stronger through that game with the goal just before half time. How important was that, going in, getting something?
Yeah, it's important. Bala, they're on the back of 2 defeats, 3-0 and 4-0. So you knew they were going to start quick, and they're very direct, and they put us under pressure, and they played the game at a high tempo, which we struggle to get out at times. But obviously they couldn't keep that up for 90 minutes, and as you say, as the game went on, we grew into it, and we got the goal at the right time, and as you say, our second half performance was really good, and all across the park, and with a couple of the chances we've had there, we should have gone on to win the game really, but we're happy with the point away from home. So, it's our first point away since Barry, so we've got to be happy with that, and we'll take it on to next week now, to the League Cup game Tuesday, and then the game against Barry on Saturday.
As you said, that momentum going forward is absolutely crucially important now. And how are we looking ahead of those 2 games?
Well, it is. The lads they played really well the last 2 games. Bangor on Saturday and here tonight. We've picked up a few injuries. We're down to the bare bones there. Obviously young Matty's come on tonight and done really well for us. So it's important we try and get some of them players back that are injured. But John McKenna's played there for 70 minutes with a split head, and the back four is a special mention for them really, because they had to withstand a lot of high balls going into the box tonight, and I thought they were superb. We got caught cold on the goal. It was our attack again, and all of a sudden we're 1-0 down. But apart from that, they haven't had too many clear-cut chances, and we defended really well. But we going forward, we always looked at threats. We had Luke Borelli and Ryan Wade who were getting used to playing each other. With Joe Phillips and Matty on the other side, and Ashley Young and Ryan Wallach on centre midfield. They're all getting the style of play we want to try and play, and it was good to watch. The second half we were really good, and as you say, another day we would have got 3 points. But when you come to a place like this, you're away from home, you're always happy with the point.
Nev, many thanks for your time. Congratulations.
Cheers, Matt.